Can you explain the Hubby Scrubby?
Oh, yeah, I just basically go in and clear any cords that you two have connected to each other, which would be like old, like, like when you get in an argument with them and then it's like you drop it and then it's still there. And then it's like just constant, like every once in a while for the next like 6 months or however long or forever. Like it's like well, they're trying to like prove a point or you're trying to prove a point to prove that you're right about something or other. Or it could be like really old arguments, but these things, they get stored between us as energetic ties. And so whenever we do like the Hubby Scrubby, I go in, I balance their chakras, and then and I release any cords that you guys have to each other, so that it's just like it just makes things a little bit nicer around them. Whenever I clear Jeff, and I always forget to do the Hubby Scrubby on Jeff, whenever I clear him, he just is like nicer. I think is the best way to put it. He's just less stressed, less like and ground them obviously too. So some of the husbands are very grounded, some of them are like completely ungrounded. We only have a couple husbands in here that are like kind of like spacey. Most of them are like really grounded and just really in like just like that, like in a lot of them aren't connected to their higher self. So if they're not connected to their higher self, I connect them to their higher self. But I need to have their permission. So you just need to ask them, can I get a clearing for you tonight? If they say yes, then I can. And then you just send me their name and their birthday. And then I do it usually after class. Sometimes I do it during class, like if the energy's like super high and I'm like, oh yeah, I can get them all done right now. Then I do them during class while I'm doing the meditation. While I'm channeling, I'm out roaming around, and it's kind of hard to explain. Like I'm here talking, you guys are seeing me talking, but I'm out roaming around doing healings and stuff like that. But yeah, so and since I number everybody in class, I never really know like, oh, okay, this is Justine, so now I'm gonna do her husband's. Like I can't like keep track of them that way because I don't know who's who when I'm doing your healings during class. Um, but um, but yeah, every once in a while I'll get pulled into like doing a husband healing when I'm on like number 5 or whatever. I'm like, oh, they must have gotten like a Hubby Scrubby or something like that. So that's pretty much it. Balance chakras, clear their energy, and yeah, cut cords to you. If you have like a specific reason why like you want me to do a clearing on him, I'm not doing like a full blown like one like healing on him and reading on him and stuff. But if you're like, oh yeah, he's dealing with a lot of stress at work, then I can go in and I can be like, okay, anything that has to do with his stress at work, show it to me. Okay, get that cleared, and then I can just go through and kind of, for that specific reason, clear him in addition to the general healing. So that's it.